You're asking me earlier what I'm excited about.
Exactly.
Bigger battery, man. I mean, 4,000 milliamps.
I've had a Galaxy S Actives for a while.
True.
And the battery life wasn't that great, so that's...
What?
Everything passing me by, take it in, but don't feel nothing. Haven't moved, but I'm in a hurry. Should be concerned, but I don't worry. These thoughts are clouding up my view. This is my life because of you.
Alright guys, I just finished from the Unpacked event. It was dope. I got some stuff in here, especially this bad boy. So I'm heading home to go do an unboxing, so let's get an Uber and let's check out what's inside.
Clouding up my view because of you. Too late, I lie in the dark in bliss.
Alright guys, I've got all this cool stuff from Samsung. We just got back in, ready to unbox it for you. Starting off first with the S-View flip cover case for the Galaxy Note 9. It's gonna match the blue color that I'm picking up, which I actually picked up here. Take that off. That's kind of sticky. Take this. We'll see how it works out with the Galaxy Note 9. We have our Galaxy Note 9 here. I'm gonna save that for last. Just push it up for a side for a second. This is the wireless charger duo. Of course, we work all with other Galaxy devices, but of course, this is kind of targeted for the Galaxy Note 9 and the new Galaxy Watch right here. Cheap charging. Can charge 2 phones if you want to, fast charger compatible, and of course we can charge the phone and the watch. So let's take our trusty knife tool, and let's see, we can actually cut this open properly without actually hurting ourselves. Be careful at home, kids. There we go. Alright, slide this out. Ooh. What do we have here? We've got a lot of packaging, first of all. The wireless fast charger. We've got 2 bays, of course. See, how do we actually open this thing around? You can always do the easy way. So remember, you guys, if you remember my Twitter, I saw this a few weeks ago, or at least a week ago, Amazon, and of course this is the charger for it. So that's how it looks. But you don't care about that. Let's move over and check out the Galaxy Note 9. Packaging is different. It shows the color of the S Pen that you're looking for, which of course is yellow with the blue. It says Samsung Galaxy Note 9. On the back specs, we got the 128GB version. There are 2 versions of this device, 128 and 512. 128 comes with 6 gigs of RAM, 512 comes with 8 gigs of RAM. But you can expand it with the 512GB SSD that Samsung's coming out with to theoretically give you a terabyte of storage. So the general packaging is similar to what we've had in the years past, where you kind of flip over the cover and you can see the color interior. We're gonna open this up. Of course, we've got our SIM removal tool, and we've got ourselves our ocean or deep blue. I can't remember the exact color name, but at least it's the blue Galaxy Note 9. So take the sticker off first. I know you guys are sticklers for that. I actually don't like leaving this on here. Some people do. Taking that off, I can always stick it back here. And this is our Galaxy Note 9 right here. Looks pretty nice. We'll get into the specs in a second. What else we have in the packaging? So, you see, we've got our fast charger, we've got our USB connector adapter, then we've got headphones, AKG headphones, USB Type-C cable right here as well, guys. And then we've got earbuds and a S Pen tool to change S Pen tips and things like that. And that is that for packaging of this device. Wow. Okay, so let's take a closer look at our Galaxy Note 9. So display is 6.4 inches. You can see how it looks all around. You've got your SIM and micro SD card tray at the top. Then if you kind of bank to the very bottom, you do have our USB Type-C and headphone jack. So it's got a headphone jack. It's got stereo sound. So you've got speakers on the top and the bottom. But of course you guys want to see that yellow S Pen. So let's pull it out. Bam, look at that. That's it. S Pen has a lot of new functionalities with Bluetooth controls. You can pause and play YouTube. You can also take photos yourself using the S Pen. You can use it as a pointer for, of course, presentations. Now the back, we've got a dual camera setup. We've got, of course, the wide angle camera, f-stop of 2.4, 12 megapixels. We've got the dual aperture of f1.5 and f2.4. You've got the flash, and you've got a heart rate monitor still there, so you can still use that. Fingerprint sensor is right below, so for all of those who are worrying about that, it's right there for your device. And this houses a 4,000 milliamp battery, and I wrote it out in the air, sorry. So you've got a nice massive battery in here. I'm going to turn it on in a second so we can have that on. And you can see, of course, Galaxy Note 9, secured by Knox, powered by Android. Now it's got an 8 megapixel front-facing camera on there. They didn't talk about any bumps and improvements on that, but we're going to see some of the features we have on this device. So one other thing quickly, I thought I could just kind of skip this part, but during the setup process, there is actually a voice guide. So if I hit start,
let's get started.
You can hear that.
Wi-Fi would be quite handy here.
So
choose a network.
Similar to what you've had with Windows devices, which is nice, but you can mute it there in the top right-hand corner if you're interested. But I'm going to go ahead and continue the setup process quickly. All right, our device is powered up. As you can see, we've got Deku wallpaper brought to you by my friend Royal Flush. She's got some really good stuff. As you can clearly see here, this thing is fast and snappy. I will be downloading Fortnite, so stay tuned for a gaming video on this device. Powered by the 845 processor, as I mentioned earlier. It's got some really nice cooling here. It's a liquid cooling system. I forgot what they specifically called it, but it allows for you to, of course, game better and also run decks, which we'll be checking out in a second. Now, if we scroll down here, we've got a few things added to the notification center here. We've got performance mode now locked in there. You can swipe. You can also see your edge lighting is automatically picked up here. You also have your Dolby Atmos as well as your S Pen remote. So you've got the remote for the S Pen. And what that means is that once I pull this out here, you've got your S Pen features that you can actually use. So you've got pen ups, translate, live, all the normal stuff, you can add more. But it means that, for instance, if you go to the camera, you guys are going to see my funky setup right here. And you can see that's Daniel there and that's me. I can use the pen to take a photo. I'm taking a photo, taking a photo, taking a photo. One press, if I double press, it switches the camera. Double press again, switches the camera. And then you can see the images that I took. Let's go back to that. Don't need to. Again, fresh setup. You get the idea. So some of the photos that I took off the S Pen. So there you have it, guys. Pretty nice, pretty nifty. I think this device is going to be something quite interesting. Want to see how this 4,000 milliamp battery lasts. Now the other feature, of course, DeX is built in. What you need is a USB Type-C cable to HDMI. You can pick it up. We have a link for you guys down below on Amazon. Pretty cost effective and simple. You plug it in directly to your Galaxy Note 9 and plug HDMI to a monitor and you are good to go. You can now, of course, watch a video or a movie on that monitor while you go ahead and do other things on your device, like of course send text messages, doodle, whatever you want to do. Or you could just use your Galaxy Note 9 as, of course, a trackpad for your functionalities with DeX. So pretty awesome stuff. All right, so there are a lot of features that this device has that I'm excited to definitely check out, which I will do this weekend. I'm going on vacation to Miami. So Miami folks, let me know where to go, what to check out, what to test out with this device. It'll be really cool. Definitely going to see how well that 4,000 milliamp battery actually works out. The S Pen features, the new Bluetooth features, taking photos, using it for documents and DeX. We'll see how that pans out as well. And anything else, guys, I want to actually try it out this weekend trip. Even some of the Bixby features they talked about, where I can use Bixby to call an Uber and I don't have to do anything else. So we'll see how that works out. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. We're going to have more videos for you for the Galaxy Note 9 will have a full walkthrough of the device, showing you almost every feature, nook and cranny. We'll give you a gaming video, we'll give you a speaker test, because I know you guys are waiting for those, and do some comparisons as well. So lots of Note 9 stuff. Till then, don't forget to like and share this video, favorite this video, subscribe to the channel, and always enjoy your entertainment. Is the ability to use your S Pen as a remote.